In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on Google. Now choose All Services. Scroll again, and this time choose Autofill with Google over here. Now select Google Password Manager, and finally tap on any password you wanna get rid of. Enter your screen lock, tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!